Okay, hello. Here is the cordless drill I'm selling. It is a 20 volt 2 ampere hour cordless drill. You can see it has it comes with two batteries. Here's the first battery. Here's the second one. It has a battery protective cover for the terminals to avoid short circuit. You have the drill itself here. The drill is here, actually. You can see it functions very well. Actually, it can drill through concrete, can drill through metal, and in wood, in screwing wood in timber, also in walls. It has a hammer mode. Here's the hammer mode used when drilling in hard materials. Here's the screw mode. It comes with 2 gears. It has gear number 1 is for drilling through hard metal or hard things, materials. Number 2 is for just ordinary drilling. And it has 18 gears. You can see 18 gears. 18th gear is for hard materials, and all the way to 1, which is used for easy tasks. It comes with a metal chuck. Here's the chuck. You can see it. It's a metallic one, which gives it long durability. It has a motor here. It has a good ventilation, so the motor dissipates heat easier and faster. You can see. Let's get the charger. Here's the charger. Here's the charger. You can see it. And actually the batteries are full. You can see the batteries are full. It comes with an Ingco connector. You can see it. Here's the Ingco connector. It comes with a couple of bits here. Let me show you. It comes